My sense is that there are two fundamental ways in which we can think about maintenance. One is fixing bugs, and the other is adding features. Mm-hmm. And those two things have tensions involved, right? But what I was thinking about when you were talking was how I think there actually is a really important commonality between operational characteristics and like development time characteristics. And to me, that's failure locality. It's the idea that I want the computers to tell me as closely as possible how the thing is failing so that I can fix it. And that is true whether I am writing tests, because to me, a good test is something where when it fails, I know right where to look, I know right what to fix. And that's not something that I need to rebuild a ton of context for or somebody else can come in and do, right? Similarly, when something is failing in one of its operational characteristics, I want to know as closely as possible, like where to look, where to go. So I think there's a common principle there in terms of the way that we should be approaching making, and that's mostly on the bug fixing side, right? Mostly, I think, on the bug fixing side. But maybe where the paths meet in the woods of the two approaches, or of the bug fixing and then the feature adding, is the extent to which, your tests and your telemetry and whatever systems you have set up for consuming your operational information are able to tell you when the thing that you were adding over here broke some stuff over there, right? And quickly guides you to the same thing. Because, ultimately what we're talking about here is, like, does the software continue to be correct or not? And how can you tell?